Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Bard, or now Google Gemini. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and also a subscribe, that would be amazing. So this is Google Gemini, which is effectively like ChatGPT. So as you can see, we've got this window here, and at the bottom it says enter a prompt here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in one of our prompts. So this is something that I have created earlier. So I'm just going to pop it in here. Please, can you write me a 300-word essay on the Roman Empire? So I've just hit enter. And as you can see, Gemini is now getting to work on it and creating us a lovely essay all about the Roman Empire. And if we scroll down, there we go, you can then see it has written that for us into lovely little paragraphs. So that is amazing. You can also type in other things as well. So I'm going to just try another one. And I'm just going to do something slightly different here. So I'm going to pop in, please, can you tell me how to make a vanilla sponge? So Gemini is now thinking about it, and here we go. It is now generating us a recipe and then also instructions. So as you can see, we've got all the right ingredients, and then we've got all the instructions on how to make a lovely sponge, and we've also got some tips as well. So the only thing that Gemini can't do at the minute is it can't create images. So if I just show you what I mean by that. So if we go to the prompt bar at the bottom, and if we type in, please, can you create me an image of a cupcake? You can see it's thinking about it, trying to do that, and then it says I can't create images yet, so I'm not able to help you with that. So that's the only thing Gemini sort of can't do at the moment, and I imagine Google are working on changing that very, very quickly. And that is an overview on how to use Google Gemini. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Any questions or comments, if you drop it down in the comment section below, that would be awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next one.